Do you know that the biggest wars and revolutions in history didn't start because of an assassination, nor a mad leader, but because of a number on a ledger? What if I told you the economic crises that textbooks call accidents were actually engineered, and every time an economy collapsed, a new empire rose from the rubble while an entire nation got crushed? Stay with me, because this is a story they never let schools teach you. Let's go back to 1907. New York. Banks shutting down one by one. People lining up, gold bleeding out of the economy like blood. Textbooks say fear caused the crisis, but behind the scenes, a dark room, a few men, and a rumor deliberately spread to take down a small bank and bring the market to its knees. The real question is, who profited from the collapse? The same people who would redesign the entire U.S. financial system the very next day. This story isn't about the rich wanting more money. No, it's about creating a pretext to grab more power. When people panic, they want two things: a savior and an enemy. And both can be created very easily. History repeats itself. Crisis, fear, new law, more power. Fast forward, 1973, oil. The world froze overnight. Long lines, prices skyrocketed, countries on the verge of collapse. The official reason? Politics. The hidden reason? A private meeting between a few economic powers deciding to turn oil into an economic weapon. That crisis didn't just raise gas prices, it reshaped the geopolitical map for generations. This pattern has repeated every time. 1997, Asia. 2008, Wall Street. 2020, COVID-19. Only the face of the crisis changed, but the brain behind it, power reset. Every economic collapse is like a reset button, a golden opportunity for the winners to grow and for the losers to be wiped out. Here's the shocking part. Crises are always described as unforeseen. But the documents that come out later show some people knew months in advance. Capital was moved, rules were ready, plans were written. All it took was to pull liquidity from one place, and the dominoes began to fall. This script isn't saying the world is run by a single secret group. No, the truth is far simpler, yet far scarier. When money calls the shots, crises become tools. Tools of pressure. Tools of control, tools of world redesign. So the next time a new crisis hits the headlines, before you ask what happened, ask yourself who benefits from this collapse. Because history shows no collapse happens silently, and no power rises without a crisis. If you want me to reveal the next part of this hidden dossier, smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe. The truth is always hiding behind a financial chart.